This is a demonstration of how to take apart the 9mm 50 round magazine.
Take your upper ribbon clamp, it'll slide forward, it has these little dovetail notches. You should be able to just pop the upper ribbon clamp off. Make sure that the pressure is released. You can do that by pressing the clutch button there. Open it up, just kind of like a clamshell like that. And you have your one half, you have your follower, you have your front end cap, you have your lower ribbon clamp, and your drive spring, mag drive assembly comes out.
Is there any cleaning or anything to do on it while it's apart?
Yeah, you'll get some buildup in here, and that's, I just wipe it down, get the residue out of there. Should
you use any lubrication in it at all?
No lube is required.
No lube is required, okay. And then, how do you put it back together?
Okay. I start with the side. It says Calico 9mm only. Take your front end cap assembly. Has these little notches in there. It will coincide with those. Slide that in there and it pops into place. Take the drive assembly. It will slide into that hole. And the big knob right up here has a little recessed area there. Click it in there. Your follower has an arrow. It needs to be pointed forward towards your front end cap. And you just slide it down into here. Take your other half. And I start with the lower ribbon clamp area. It has little notches in here, look in here. Then you want to take your lower ribbon clamp. While you have this open a little bit, and you're going to want to kind of lift it up, and then they'll slide in these grooves. And to make sure that you have it, I just go back and forth. And then you should just be able to click it back. Take your upper ribbon clamp, and just slide it on, and then it'll just click in. Make sure it's flush, and just push it on. And then I give it a couple winds. Make sure your follower comes up in here. Press the button. 7 winds usually, 10 max.
And that is how to disassemble and reassemble the Calico 9mm carbine magazine.